Hello everyone, in this video I would like to review your next assignment in this class. This is the writing process assignment. In this assignment you'll be reflecting and writing about your writing process according to the specifications listed here. Now this assignment assumes that you've completed activities, readings assigned in week 7 and week 8 of this class. Please make sure that you read the instructions carefully. As I make the case here, there is a process regarding how we do things, complete certain goals and objectives. For instance, if you want to register for a class, there is a process how you go about your registration. If a stranger were to ask you, how do I register for a class? Since you've been through that experience, you know what to tell the stranger. Or to give an account of how anybody can register for a class at any college, specifically the college that you registered your class. Now, thinking of the writing process, this is asking you to think about your own writing process, not your friends, not your brother, your sisters, or somebody that you know, but your writing process. So I've given you an example. I've also given you some pointers how to think about the assignment, how to go about completing the paper. Think about what you've written. Think about the various contexts in which you write. And how you write. So, depending on the context, you have information on how you go about writing something and completing the writing. I expect that you establish a title in your paper. I expect to see a developed introduction. You are, of course, going to describe your writing process from the beginning to the end. I expect that you walk your reader through your writing process. What does it take you to write a paper, for example, or an essay? You're supposed to establish support for your thesis in your introduction. I expect that you create a conclusion, which will summarize your main points. And you should expect to see this is similar to your reading process paper, because this assignment is a sequel to it. In terms of format, please follow the formatting instructions. It should be double-spaced. When you save your file before submission, make sure you name your file according to the format stated here. The example here, you can follow this process. And in terms of the page requirement is stated, I expect to see a similar example of heading title. Your paper should be titled. Your name should be on your paper as well. And the due dates are listed below. You're going to turn in an outline, and you are also going to turn in a final draft. But when you turn in the outline, it comes with a first draft, okay? So the final draft is due on the date listed here. So that's about it.